Umintri rangba kajela ukonrat ki sangma hakalai pau tarik jeliu ula pelaj paidbah iaka Achievers of the Month program. Kabatmu ban ai jingithuh e kiriu shimet ki balak ban trekam bha bat penroy ya kolshor ha sengkam sengjam hakaleng kajela Meghalaya. Kani ka senjam kadai ke balapun wandur ban ai rensan hakabaki nongjob hagikam baper kinla banya sami ka jingat lenti ke jongki ban ai mensim bat ban penpau perthei ki jingman toy jong ki program ko sarkar ban kentiu ya ka jingroi bat ki buit trekam batmai. Umintri rangba haba pelat ya ka program ula penpau bakat baka sarkar kelashim ya ka benta ban longkum ka nongeram da ka bawan ra ki polisi ki jingtrei bat kilat jingkershan Henry day ki nongseng kam sengjam ki ba pentelun ya ka jingkiu hakayo ka kan. Ka sarkar ka thawi ka nongrim Henry day ki nongseng kam sengjam ki ba penlong ya ka yo ka kan bakan kiu rasong ula ong haba benram ka jing sengkam sengjam ka de ka nongrim jong ka jing penmi ikilat kamai ka ji ki ba ne bat ka jingkiu jong ka yo ka kan bat ka roi ka par. Haba penkesan halor ka thong Syllad jong ka ni ka program u konrat ulo ong ba ka ni ka program ka thmu ban wengi ki jing e bat ban wanra shakmat e ki khana jingjom ni kwa banya sami ki khana ka jingjob ka jongphi bat ka perthei ka ka bala ban long ka basuk na ka banta jongphi Henry ka de ka jing ai men sim na ka banta ki weipat ula kan tho umintri rangba ula pen benaru baya ubnai naitung undei ubnai bakirpang na ka banta ki nongseng kam sengjam da ka ba penlong ye ki program bapher ki jinga keren ki rinsan banya sami ki khana bat ki program pen phryang lingba ke social media ki batmu ban pen pau perthei ki jinga lenti ki jongki ha ka ni ka jingalang ki nongseng kam sengjam bat ki nongjob kila yo banya same la ki jongki khana jingsham jongki halor ki jing ki ba yakndo ki jingale persha bat ka jingki yo shaprang kila pen pauru ka jing sngungu ya umintri rangba halor ka jing pelat ya ka program ka ba ai jingithuh ki jing tre shitom ki jongki bat ka ba ai min sim ki nongseng kam sengjam haba pen pau halor ka jing don kam ka jingai sha bat ka jing tre shitom umintri rangba ula ong ka sengkam sengjam kam dei ka besok ka wanling ba ka jing du thia du dam ka jing bam thikna bat ki babon ki jing Henry ka de ka jing sngo tanat bat ka jing ko jingmut ka babatai ya ka jinglong nongseng kam sengjam ula ai men sim ru ikinong sengkam bakin nyaine ha ki jing thmu jongki bat ong wat ai lat noi no ru bakin ong ye phi ba phin om jam kade ka kamram jong phi ban pen ki bakla umintri rangba ulaya ro ru ya ka benta jong ka prime bat ka jingai ka jongka shakithai nong kindong panwanra ka jingkala ha ka liang ka sengkam sengjam ka jinga sami ki nuksa jong ki briu ki bala kiu ha ki kam ba ki tre na ki jingstang ki baren bat poi shaki yo ki han jong ki sorba ki bahe ka Achievers of the Month program ha ki banai ban wan kan pen ki nongjom na ki kam ba pher ken thop ha ka liang ka sports ka rap ka ryang ka puli puthi ka jing shakri paidbah ka jing thumu ban te ka jingale ha ka jilla barok ka wei ban ai min sim ba jingithuh ha ka ni ka jingalang kiladon hadu sanphongut kinong sengkam ki ba wan na keleng gejela ki bla sha pun ku buram namar ka jingjob jongki ha ka liang ka sengkam sengjam
excel in sports, had a lot of passion in sports, and wanted to do things in sports. So we started to revive the Meghalaya games. We started putting up infrastructures everywhere. We started supporting the associations, and now we are almost at the cusp of hosting the national games here in Meghalaya. Similarly, our farmers were doing their normal day-to-day activities and doing their day-to-day life, livelihood programs, livelihood activities. And we realized that we need to just push them a bit more. So different programs like CM Assure, Focus Plus, Focus, and so many other cooperative programs through which food processing units were provided. Many of them have been set up, and today thousands of farmers are being supported. My point here, what I'm trying to tell you is that across the spectrum of our economy, And across the regions and across different areas, different interventions have been done to support different stakeholders. And therefore, when we are seeing this happen, all of these are actually working in a way in silos, because obviously they are all sector oriented and specific areas. And they don't come to know what's happening in the different sectors and how different people are being supported. So that is why we came up with this program for Achiever of the Month. And it's very, very simple. We want to share your story with the world. That's number one. And therefore this month, we realized that we will dedicate a month. So though it's 30th of June, it's the whole month of July, which will be dedicated to entrepreneurs. So we want to start with this whole concept of having entrepreneurs being showcased. We will come up with stories. I will speak to entrepreneurs. I will try to do some different social media programs with you. And to really share your story with the rest of the state. And in the process, hopefully I will recognize some of the good work that some of you have done. And all of you have done good work, but some of the work, I will say, I cannot share all the work. But some of the work that some of you have done, I'll be able to share that. I'll be able to motivate other entrepreneurs who would want to be like you. And your stories may end up actually making them make that very important decision in life of what they want to do. And you may think that your story is very simple, but it's not. It is truly inspiring. We heard just 3 stories out here. I'm sure every one of you has a special story to tell. So I want you to share your stories through your channels, through your eyes, and through your story, in the sense that how you went through, what was it? Because what we see, what Prime sees is different, but what you experienced is different. So I want this kind of a movement to take place. And therefore we thought that we'll have this platform where we'll allow Achievers of the Month to come and share their stories, and we will motivate them, as well as we will recognize them, and we will allow others to be also motivated by their story and encouraged by their story. And therefore, like next month, we may have a Achiever of the Month for sports, where we will have different sports persons who have achieved different heights in sports, them coming and sharing their stories, and that again will motivate somebody else. The week after that, we may have farmers, Achiever of the Month in terms of farmers coming in. Another day we'll have maybe teachers coming in. We'll have maybe ashas and health workers coming in. Maybe we'll have government servants coming in and bureaucrats coming in. I don't think politicians are a great group to get, but yeah, maybe we'll get politicians too. So like that, we just keep improving and keep sharing the stories, and that's what the background of this whole idea is. So just wanted to give you the background because it's the first program we're having. But coming to entrepreneurship, I think it's quite clear that that we as a government are very, very bullish, I should say, about entrepreneurship. And obviously there's a reason for it. And the reason is very, very simple. And it is realizing that government is nothing but a facilitator. Government creates the policies. Government creates the infrastructure. And government provides the base and the facilities that are required for the economy to move forward.